In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in an image in Canva. If you've ever had a photo, flyer, or screenshot where the words are baked into the picture and you wish you could change them, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use Canva's built-in tool to pull the text out of the image so you can correct typos, update dates, or restyle the wording without starting from scratch. Start by opening your design in Canva and selecting the image that contains the text you want to change. Click directly on the image so you see the selection handles around it. This tells Canva, work on this image, and ensures the right editing options appear. If you have multiple layers on your canvas, make sure you've actually selected the image, not a nearby text box or shape. With the image selected, click Edit. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find this in the top toolbar or the side panel that appears when an image is active. If you don't see Edit, reselect the image and try again. The option only shows for image layers. In the Edit controls, look for the Tools section and then click See All. This expands the full set of image tools beyond the quick actions. We're opening this up so you can access the feature that extracts text from within your image. Next, click Grab Text. Canva will get ready to scan the picture and detect any letters and words it can recognize. For best results, images with clear, high-contrast text work great. Think posters, signs, or clean screenshots. If your image is blurry or heavily stylized, you can still try it, but you may need to fix a few characters afterward. When prompted, choose All Text so Canva attempts to capture everything it finds in the image rather than a single region. Now click Grab to start the process. You'll see a brief progress indicator while Canva analyzes the image. When it's done, the detected text will appear as editable content in your design. Your original image stays in place, so you can compare and ensure nothing important was missed. From here, you can edit the text. Click into the new text box and change the wording, fix formatting, and apply your preferred font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Match the style to your brand or give it a fresh look. Take a moment to proofread. Optical character recognition can occasionally mix up characters, especially with decorative fonts. If something looks off, correct it right in the text box. That's it. Your previously locked-in image text is now fully editable and ready to use.